Okay, so graphing this inequality. So here we're going to have to do, on example 3, we're going to have to do both. We're going to have to graph the quadratic equation and use a test point to find out where to shade. All right, so let's go ahead. And this is an easy one, so I'm going to do this entirely by hand. So let's check it out. So here we have H, and then this one is K. So if you remember, your vertex is actually -3 minus 4. So change that in there. So I'm going to plot that. 1, 2, 3. Right about there. Okay. And then remember your A values. So when your A here in this case is equal to 1, we have our graphing numbers, 3, 5, that we had from our last graphing test. So multiply it by your A number. 1 times 1 is 1, of course, if I can write correctly. 3 times 1 is 3, 5 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5 as well. Okay, so those are the graphing numbers I'm going to use. So you go out 1, up 1 on either side. Then you go out 1, up 3, 1, 2, 3, just right there. Out on the other side, symmetrical. And that's probably enough points to go ahead and get a graph pretty good on there. All right, so it looks like that. Okay, so now we got to figure out when we're graphing the inequality is where to shade. So we need a test point. So again, on this one, I like this point right in here. We'll do it in a different color. Okay, so this test point here is -3, 0 again. So test point. So again, we're going to plug that number into our function and using our x and our y value here and find out if it's true or not. Okay, so our y is 0, less than or equal to -3 plus 3, square that, then we have -4 outside here. So work it all out, we get 0 is less than or equal to -4. Okay, 0 is not less than -4, 0 is greater than -4, so this is our false one. So in this case, we have to shade outside. Okay, so let's get our shader, and everything around the parabola will be a potential solution, nothing inside. Okay.